Hello, buddy. Sorry? Yeah. Hello again, back in the Yak. It's a very pleasant Thursday evening here at Hayling. We're at the East Oak end, just launched. Forgot to record that. And yeah, I came down to look first in binoculars, saw some birds working out in that direction, quite far out, not too far, but yeah, we're gonna get out, see if we can find some birds, and then see if we can catch some fish. It's really nice. At the moment I can see a bird over there flying, a couple of them flying, hopefully towards the melee. I'll get my binoculars out in a second and just confirm. Just get away from the shore first. So yeah, stay tuned, hopefully you can find some fish again. It's been a while, just haven't found the birds working, or it's been too windy, or just haven't been able to do it. But hopefully tonight is the night. Okay, we've arrived at the first set of birds. Just going to sort of slowly edge our way towards them and then cast the lure. I'm not seeing really much surface activity, although obviously there is some, but it's not exactly blowing up. I'm sure there are some fish around. Okay, let's have a cast. Oh yeah, fish blowing up to the right of me there. Left of me, sorry. Yeah. Over that way. Yeah, the fish are blowing up all around now, especially in front of me there. Just is this the right lure? Yeah, on. They're not massive. Yeah, small bass. Right, should have done this earlier. Need a rag and a cloth. Let's get this. Oh, he's not too bad, is he? Look, for a first fish. Just gives me confidence in the lure, that's all. Right, let's grab it. Here he is. Well done, bud. Off you go. Get bigger. See you soon. Right. Might change to like a white eel, might work better than this metal lure. Got more casts with this. Yeah. Oh, I got off. Yeah. That feels like a slightly better one. Slightly better one. Come on, bud. Oh, I got off. Never mind. Come on. Come on, bass. Where are you? Look there, look. I wish you could see, you probably won't be able to see this on this wide angle view, but they're very exciting splashes. Come on. Let's see them now drifting away from the main pack, so better follow them. I'm going to try one of these like scary type eels, optimised by Fish Locker, I believe. Let's see if it's that was a rubbish cast, but let's see if it's any good. Catch me a fish. I'm drifting. Come on. Yep, that's a small one. On the eel. Good to see that works. There we go, bud. Magic metal jig, the one that produced the goods last time. Yeah, it's the birds are a lot of them are just sat down now, so the action's dying off. Yeah, he must have been following this. Yeah, another small one. There you go, bud. He's away. Okay, moving westwards. You missed about untangling a lure. The birds have moved and you're facing the wrong way. Come on. Yeah, that feels a lot better one. Still not a keeper, but a better one. Oh, he's a better one, yeah. Not keeper size, but right, come on, bud. Time for you to always nearly keeper size. Yeah, look, no, he's not keeper size. That's the. Oh, he's gone anyway. I was going to measure him on the rod, but yeah, cool. Right. They don't seem moving as fast. What's a frenzy, look. That's what we want to see. What's a frenzy. Right, don't get hit up on this lure. Finally got a seagull attached. Yep. Oh yes, that's better. Oh, it's going off, it's all going off here. Come on, bud. Oh no, what's that? A mackerel. Awesome. First mackerel. Foul hooked as well. There he is. First mackerel. Go on, you can go back, bud. He was too small. Yeah, straight away. Yeah, nice bass. He looks like a keeper. Okay, there's that one. It's quite a chunk. Just going to measure him against the rod. The yellow mark is for 42 centimetres. His tail's at the bottom of the thing. Oh no. He's just bang on 42, so I'm going to let you get bigger, buddy. See you later. Thank you. Bye. Off he goes. None the worse for his experience, I hope. Yeah, here we go. It's a nice one. That's the same sort of size as the last one. Oh, got off. Damn it. Damn it. God, that really sucks. That was almost the keeper sized one as well. Damn it. Gotta be, just puts a big set of feathers on. It's an effective way of catching these. Yeah, there we go. After all that crushing disappointment. Come on, bud. Well, that answers the question, is this lure going to work? And the answer is an emphatic yes. Not the biggest of bass, but... Sorry, but I want to show you the camera. Off you go. So every lure I've tried I've caught a fish on so far, which is good, but you know, I think the metal's probably the most effective. Come on. Oh, I'm getting hit. Come on. So, yeah, got him. Feels like a better one. No, mackerel. Nice mackerel as well. Mackerel on the Sandy Andy. Hold still, bud. Oh, oh no. There you go. Decent mackerel. But again, I know you can go. I don't want it. I'm not really in the mood for a mackerel at the moment. Right, come on. Let's have a nice bass this time. Yeah. Yes. Yes. What we got? What are we working with here? Oh, bass, yeah. Keep still, bud, and this will be over for you. Some pleasant experience. There you go. Another fine fighting fish. Off you go, bud. Awesome. Awesome. Just not getting the. It's not getting the bigger ones. If there are any big ones here, I'm sure that. I mean, I lost one which definitely looked keeper size, you know, but that's just the way it goes. Can't expect to get fish, really big fish all the time, can you? Oh, getting a knock. Yep. Could this be the one? No. What are we dealing with here? Come on. Smaller bass. I mean, they're beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Alright, you calm down there, buddy. You just wait there and I'll have you free in a second. Yeah, look at that. Look at this chunky fellow. Go on, stretch out. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Let's see if I'm still in the zone or I need to go that way a bit. Oh yeah, they've come back over this way. That's great. They sort of come to me. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. This is another nice one. Oh, a smaller one this time. No, let's not mess about with this dude. Let's just get him released and should get on with catching a bigger one. Here we go, bud. Could this be the keeper bass I'm after? Come on. Up on board. No, he still looks a bit small. Oh, still bad. Yeah, look, another nice specimen, really beautiful. Probably get a couple of fillets off him, but we'll let him go, get bigger. As you can see, another beautiful evening. The fish are starting to disperse a bit now, and it's yeah, there's still the odd one a bit, but it's definitely calming down now. I've yeah, my GoPro died about halfway into the session, really annoying. I caught a few more fish, one sort of nearly worth keeping, and then one just went in front of me there. So yeah, bit of a shame about that. But yeah, well, they're still sort of around me, so I think I'll have a few more casts before we wrap it up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Just gutted. I normally use my DJI, but I used my GoPro tonight, so the DJI battery weren't charged, and the GoPro is only like 85, and yeah, it just let me down, which is a shame. But yeah, beautiful evening. I'll paddle in and have a little troll on the way back, maybe with a repeller. And yeah, thanks for watching.